I bet you've heard at least once in your life that computer science is a great field to go into. But why? Why does everyone say that? There are many reasons as to why computer science is a very important field. Well, firstly, there are many applications to computer science. It can be used in law enforcement, medicine, or even for creating your favorite video games. Everywhere you go, regardless of what field you are in, there are computers everywhere. Computers are also used for many important tasks. As mentioned before, computer science has many applications. One example of a major task is space exploration. NASA has different machines and satellites in use that are responsible for studying space. Computers can be coded automatically to map asteroid landings and identify new planets. They can even run diagnostic checks on different forms of machinery, and maybe in the future, they could work as autopilot for spacecraft. There are also many hospitals that use computers, or, more specifically, robots. Even a trained surgeon's hand will tremble a little, so they need to bring in a specific robot guided by the surgeon to make incisions and remove tumors. Computers can also be programmed to take in large amounts of data and sort them out in a process known as data cleaning. This removes any missing or null values all within seconds. Probably the biggest reason I think everyone should learn how to code is that it's good for your brain. I remember a discussion we had in computer science class about its various benefits, one of them being that it exercises both halves of the brain, kinda like music. You see, when you work on computer science, you have to exercise creativity by thinking of new solutions and new ways to structure code. And you also have to use your analytical thinking when learning how to code, how to use different functions, and what their purposes are. In conclusion, computer science has applications to many fields. It can be used on many big projects and tasks that help humanity, and it's good for your brain. Overall, whatever you decide to go into, computer science will provide some type of benefit. Just make sure you learn it the way that is best for you so you don't get bored or discouraged. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share the video. Stay safe, stay happy, and keep learning.